Renting a moving truck for a do-it-yourself move can save you significant money if you plan logistics carefully. Start by sizing the truck to your belongings, measuring large items, and comparing cubic feet and door height for couches and appliances. Choose one size larger than you think you need to avoid multiple trips. Reserve the truck early, especially for summer weekends and month-end dates, because availability tightens and rates rise. Book at least 4 to 6 weeks ahead for long-distance moves. Compare one-way versus round-trip pricing and factor in mileage, fuel, and drop-off fees so you can pick the most cost-effective option for your route. Line up helpers and confirm their arrival times, responsibilities, and lifting technique so loading is efficient and safer. Use body mechanics like lifting with legs and working in teams for heavy pieces. Secure moving insurance either through your personal homeowner policy, the truck company, or a third party, and understand coverage limits for liability and replacement value before you load. Organize packing by room and create a labeled inventory with fragile items noted, then load heavy items first and use straps and moving blankets to prevent shifting during transit. People commonly undersize the truck and end up making extra trips, so measure carefully and reserve a larger vehicle if you are unsure. A second frequent mistake is underestimating time and arriving late to pick up or drop off, which can incur extra day charges, so schedule buffer time and confirm reservations the day before. The third issue is inadequate protection for goods leading to damage. Use proper padding, secure straps, and stack boxes tightly with lighter boxes on top to minimize movement. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like moving-related repairs and installs, and we make it easy for people to find local help and for contractors to find work. We also host a discussion community where members share tips, vendor experiences, and planning advice to help your do-it-yourself move go smoothly.